第49课，别打呼了。
Lesson 49. Stop snoring. Millions of families have trouble falling asleep. Do you know why? There's someone in the family who has a snoring problem. The problem can be quite serious. In some cases, couples have to sleep in separate bedrooms, and in others, kids can never study or even watch TV once dad hits the sack. So how can we avoid being a snoring nuisance? One way is to avoid eating a big meal before going to bed. Drinking alcohol near bedtime is something which also causes snoring. Changing the position in which the snorer sleeps also helps. Another alternative is to wear earplugs. But if all these ideas fail, you have only one choice. Wake the snorer up. Tell him it's his turn to watch you sleep.